Welcome back my YouTube neighborhood. Sean the Barber here, and I'll be teaching you guys how to do a shadow fade. And what is that? That is when you want to fade that's not necessarily down to the skin, but it's close enough where it's pretty tight and you can still see the line up. That being said, what you will need here is you'll need a pair of adjustable clippers with a knob. You have adjustable lever here. Okay, let me demonstrate something for you real super fast. You'll want all the way open is like this, halfway, all the way closed when the teeth are touching. Okay, what kind of guards you'll need? You'll need a 0 guard, you'll need a 1 guard, you'll need a 1.5 guard, you'll need a 2 guard, and a 3 guard. Okay, enough talking, let's get on with it. But before we do that, please make sure you like and subscribe so I can keep y'all updated with new videos. Alright. Alright guys, so let's get this started. I'm going to make my first guideline by having the clippers all the way open and make a nice straight line and bring it all the way back. Try to make it as clean and as neat as you can possible. Now just keep in mind I'm only doing half of my head at a time, just to make it easier and to demonstrate. One more tip, make sure your lighting is good, because as you can see on my hair, the darker it is in there casts a little shadow off my head, so it makes it look like there's spots when there really isn't. So lighting is key, and always keep that in mind. Now you're going to want to take your 0 guard, you want to go up about an inch with the clippers all the way open, and you're going to have a nice straight proportionate line going all the way back with that first line that you created. Now this part is a little hard to see, but once you're done making that second line, you want to go in with your 0 guard and your clippers halfway open and blend that hairline between those 2 lines you created without going above that second line. Then you're going to close your clippers the whole way closed, and then just blend out that first original line that you created. Now you're going to take your 1 guard, put it on your clippers, and go with the clipper all the way open. You want to go up about an inch. Bring that nice and neat all the way back. Now, like the previous steps before, you want to go ahead and close your clippers halfway. You're going to want to blend between the second line and the line we just created. Now close those clippers the whole way and knock out that second line. Now I'm going to slap on the 1.5 with my clippers all the way open. There's the 1.5, boom. To make it easier on you guys, it's the same steps we've been doing. You're going to want to go up about an inch, make your next line. Then you're going to want to put your clippers halfway open and blend it between the lines. And then close those clippers up the whole way and knock out that bottom line. Then you're going to want to put on the 2 and do the exact same steps you did before, trying not to go too high. I'm trying to make this as easy as I can possible for you guys, but keep in mind this will take some time to master. Now I just went over to the other side of my head and I'm just going to repeat the same process. The lighting is absolutely terrible, so try to bear with me here a little bit. Now I know this can be a little tricky, so if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and I will get back to you. Now I'm cleaning up with the outliners. I recommend doing this, but this is optional. And to answer your question is, yes, I did fade the back of my hair, and yes, I did clean those hairs up off my neck and everything. I just did it off of camera. Well, that's just about it, my friends. I tried to make this as easy as I can possible, but I know it can be a little tricky to understand. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope this helped. Thank you.